Storytelling, perfect insights. I've done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Tiny minds versus big minds. Today we explore the legendary battle. No fighting, no drama, just funny life lessons. Good vibes versus humor. Let's go. 1. Tiny mind, I know everything. Big mind, I can still learn. Reason why people grow faster when they stay curious instead of pretending to know everything. 2. Tiny mind, laugh at mistakes. A big mind learns from mistakes. Reason why mistakes are usually teachers wearing funny costumes. 3. Tiny mind loves gossip. Big mind loves peace. Reason why positive conversation create a better friendship, less stress. 4. A tiny mind gets jealous easily. A big mind gets inspired. Reason why inspiration builds motivation. Jealousy only ruins your mood. 5. Tiny minds interrupt constantly. Big mind listen first. Reason why listening carefully helps people understand each other better. 6. A tiny mind only cares about winning. Big minds cares about fairness too. Reason why respect matters more than ego. 7. Tiny mind panics immediately. Big mind thinks calmly. Reason why calm thinking solves problems faster. 8. Tiny minds judges appearances. Big mind notices character. Reason why good character lasts bigger than fashion trends. 9. Tiny mind complains non-stop. Big mind looks for solution. Reason why problem solving creates progress. 10. Tiny mind hates criticism. Big mind uses feedback wisely. Reason why helpful feedback can make skills stronger. 11. Tiny mind copies negativity. Big mind spreads positivity. Reason why positive energy improves communities. 12. Tiny mind wanted attention constantly. Big mind builds real connection. Reason why real kindness is more meaningful than a constant attention seeking. 13. Tiny mind give up quickly. Big mind keeps trying. Reason why persistence improves skills over time. 14. Tiny mind starts unnecessary drama. Big mind avoids useless conflict. Reason why not every disagreement needs a battle. 15. Tiny mind thinks kindness is weakness. Big mind knows kindness is strength. Reason why respect and kindness usually create a stronger relationship. Remember, nobody is perfect. We all learn step by step. Stay curious and keep growing. Like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs a laugh today.